So you'd like to buy a tray seeder, but you don't know what type of trays you're working with, or you have some specific kind, or we don't have it in our spreadsheets, so you decided to measure it yourself. And we will need 4 numbers to do this correctly. So the first 2 are really simple. It's just the number of pots in this direction and the number of pots in that direction. And just to make sure we are very precise and we exactly know to which number we're referring to, we are going to look at the tray as a coordinate system. So we have an x-axis and we have a y-axis. Right now I have a QuickPot 77 in front of me, and we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we are going to call this number of pots x, and this is what you're going to write in your order form. And then we're going to count in the other direction, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is a number that we're going to call number of pots y. And so you make sure that this is what you write while ordering the tray seeder. And then the other 2 numbers are just a little bit more complicated, but it's simple enough for anyone to make. And what I need is exact distance from center of one pot to another pot. So it would be something like this. But since we are just trying to measure air and not we don't have anything firm to hold our measuring device against, we're going to take it to the wall. So we're going to measure left side of the wall to the left side of the wall. And I could do it like this with the calipers, but I think there's a much better method where you can just use a normal measuring tape. So instead of measuring just one cell, we're going to measure multiple cells. So we have to make sure that we put the measuring tape against the left wall, and when we read the numbers, it's again the left wall of the tray. So right now it says here 460, we're going to count it in millimeters, so this is 460 millimeters. And right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. So we have 10 cells. And this one's actually easy, so we just divide 460 by 10, so it's 46. And so since it's in the x direction, let's call this number center to center distance x. And now we have to do it in the other direction. Mostly trays like this are symmetric and the size of the cells are the same in both directions, but just for the sake of precision and making sure to get it exactly right, let's do it in both directions. So again, I'm going to be putting the measuring tape against one wall and measuring exactly to the same wall. And right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cells, and the number is 280. So if I divide 280 by 6, 46.6 is the center to center distance y that you are going to put in your order notes. And that's basically it. You can just send me those 4 numbers and we will make the tray seeder that's exactly right for your specific tray.